Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to continue watching across devices on Amazon Prime Video. So to continue watching across devices on Amazon Prime Video, ensure that you're signed in. Ensure you are signed in to the same Amazon account on all devices, and then on any device like smart TV, tablet, or smartphone, navigate to the My Stuff or Home section. Look for the Continue Watching row, where you will see all the titles you've recently watched, and then click on the title to resume from where you left off. Your watch progress is synced automatically, allowing you to continue seamlessly across devices. Enjoy your viewing. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.